Presenting the Kia 2018 Sportage LX. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include 181 horsepower, 2.4L-liter inline four-cylinder DOHC engine with variable valve timing, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission, Bluetooth, center console, full with covered storage and clock, in dash. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.